Welcome back, guys. I'm Jordan, and this is the fourth video in the CSC-251 Advanced Java Programming tutorial, and today we'll be going over some interesting parts of files and streams. Today's topics will include what are streams, some different types of streams, buffers, and Java's new File I/O, or NEO. A stream is data that you can access in sequence, and I hope you all know what a file is. There are different types of streams and multiple ways you can read and write to files, so today we're going to cover the basics and end with a demonstration of the differences between java.io and java.neo. So let's start with streams. An I/O, or input-output stream, is a sequence of data. Input streams read from a source, and output streams write data to a target. Easy, right? For console applications, system.in is what's used to read data, and system.out is the output stream. Streams can move data from one location to another. A location can be a file, a device, a network socket, a memory location. We're going to briefly discuss two types of streams: byte streams and character streams. Byte streams read and write one byte at a time, and are subclasses of input stream and output stream. Java stores characters using Unicode, so Java code has to convert back and forth between that and whatever the local character set is. In the US, that's generally some form of ASCII. Character streams do this conversion automatically, which is extremely convenient. As you know, buffers hold data in memory so it can be accessed more efficiently. This greatly improves performance by reducing disk and network I/O operations. There are several stream and file buffer classes that can be used to buffer both byte and character streams as well as files. New I/O, or NEO, is a Java package that was introduced several years ago with Java version 6 and then greatly improved in version 7. It contains a wide collection of powerful and easy-to-use file functions. To demonstrate some differences between Java's I/O and NEO packages, I've made two programs that do the same thing, and that's copy a file from one place to another. Let's start off with the I/O version. Here I use a buffered file reader and writer, which are character streams by the way, to read data from one file and then write it to another. The while loop reads a character as an integer and then writes it to the destination file until the end of the first file is reached. Note that this doesn't do any detection beforehand and will overwrite the destination file if it already exists. The try-catch statement is necessary since most compilers won't let you use these types of I/O functions unless you're able to catch at least I/O exception. Some functions have more specific exceptions they'll work for. While this code isn't difficult or convoluted, it's not exactly clean looking either. So let's go take a look at the NEO version. This looks a whole lot nicer, doesn't it? I define the path to each file and then just call copy with the source, target, and copy options. And there are a whole slew of copy options. I just used replace existing to make a point. Again, we're required to catch I/O exception. But doesn't this just seem better? You don't have to open and close readers and buffer readers. You don't have to open and close writers and buffer writers. There's no while loop, and it's very simple. Moving and deleting files with NEO is just as easy too. Just to review, today we've gone over some stream and file basics, as well as taken a quick look at some code using both Java's I/O and NEO packages. My next video will be on packages and applets versus applications. Until next time, thanks for watching.